In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Metapixel to Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. This is where you manage your websites, hosting, and website builder settings. Once you're inside your account, look for the website section so you can access the site where you want to install your Metapixel. Next, click on Website. This will take you to the list of websites connected to your Hostinger account. From here, find the specific website you want to work on. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage more than one site, because the pixel will only be added to the website you edit. After that, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can customize your site's design, content, and built-in settings. Give it a moment to load completely so all the options in the editor are available. Once you're in the editor, look to the left side of the screen and click More. This section contains additional settings and tools that aren't shown in the main editing area. If you're new to Hostinger's Builder, this is a useful place to explore because it includes several important configuration options. From the More menu, click Integrations. This is where Hostinger lets you connect third-party tools and services to your website. Integrations are useful for things like analytics, marketing, and tracking. And in this case, this is where you'll connect your Metapixel. Now, click Facebook Pixel. In many cases, this option is still labeled Facebook Pixel, even though the platform is now called Metapixel. So don't worry if the wording looks a little different. It's the correct integration for tracking visitor activity from your website. Finally, enter your Facebook Pixel ID in the field provided. Be careful to paste only the Pixel ID itself, without extra spaces or characters. This ID connects your website to your Meta Events Manager, so tracking can work properly. Once entered, make sure your changes are saved if Hostinger prompts you to do so, and that's it. Your Metapixel should now be connected to your Hostinger website through the website builder. If you want to confirm everything is working, you can later check your Meta Events Manager to see whether the pixel is receiving activity from your site. This is a simple but important setup if you want to track visitors, measure conversions, and improve your advertising performance.